Understanding, let's swap notes. A guide to English idioms. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, particularly focusing on the phrase, let's swap notes. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering any language, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this interesting phrase and learn how to use it effectively in our daily communication. The phrase, let's swap notes, is an idiom used to express the idea of exchanging information, ideas, or experiences with someone else. It originates from the concept of students exchanging their written notes with one another to gain a broader understanding of a subject. However, in a broader sense, it doesn't necessarily involve written notes. It's more about sharing knowledge or insights verbally or through other forms of communication. Let's swap notes can be used in various contexts, both formal and informal. Here are some scenarios where this idiom might be appropriate. 1. In the workplace. When colleagues want to share insights or strategies about a project or a client, they might say, let's swap notes on the marketing strategies. 2. Among friends. Friends discussing their travel experiences might say, let's swap notes about the places we visited during our vacations. 3. In academic settings. Students working on a group assignment might suggest, let's swap notes before the next class to make sure we're all on the same page. To get a clearer understanding, let's look at some examples of how let's swap notes can be used in sentences. 1. In professional context, after attending the seminar, let's swap notes and brainstorm how we can implement these strategies in our department. 2. Among peers, I heard you're a fantastic cook. Let's swap notes on our favorite recipes sometime. 3. In learning environments, we both are studying for the same certification. How about we swap notes over coffee this weekend? And that's a wrap on Let's Swap Notes. Idioms like this enrich our language, allowing us to express complex ideas in a simple, relatable manner. We hope this video has shed some light on how you can use this phrase to share knowledge and experiences with others. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to swap notes with fellow learners to enhance your mastery of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!